Hello, boss! Here is our SWT laser air-cooled laser welder. With this very lightweight welding gun, it's very easy for long-time operations. Very light. Flexible for welding. Also, we have the English version and others. Language here you can see. English, Portuguese, Korea, Turkish, Japan, Germany, Poland, Thailand, Italy, Vietnam, Spanish, and Romania, so that is very international and hot selling for laser welding business. And this is the laser welding. Laser wire feeder with the touch screen. And also SWT laser can do the flexible manufacturing. With one moke, we can do the customizing the logo or the colors. So you can DIY yours. Lace welders with SWT laser. Welcome you to consult us now.